Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 best free cleaners app for Android. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. First one we have is Estimate 1, which is also called a made for your Android device. It will help your app to clean and tidy. It offers a collection of tools to manage your apps and file, and they also have a pro version, but the basic version works fine as well. On number 2 we have Norton 360 Virus Scanner and VPN. So this application is not just virus remover, but this is also a VPN. It is an all-in mobile security with advanced virus scanner and also VPN for your data protection. And number 3 we have Files by Google. It is a one cleaner app and it's by Google. So it helps to share the file offline safely and fast. It also removes the junk files like a duplicate file, old picture, or unused apps and more. And number 4 we have Droid Optimizer. It will clean, accelerate, and optimize your overall Android device. It will also provide you with a dark theme, and this is completely free. Number 5 we have AVG Cleaner Storage Cleaner. This will also clean your phone and remove all the hidden junks from your storage device. It offers various features as well. They also have a premium version, but the basic version works fine as well. So these are the applications that you can use for cleaning your Android device junks and old files. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.